everybody, I'm Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and right now we're gonna make up some awesome tofu lettuce wraps with peanut sauce. So in the last video, what we did is we made crispy fried tofu. Now we're gonna go to the next step and we're gonna prepare all of our veggies that are gonna go into that lettuce wrap. All right, so we're gonna preheat our pan to medium high. And we're gonna put about a tablespoon of oil on the bottom. I'm, again, doing just a very neutral canola oil. All right, so that pan is preheated, and we're gonna start dropping in those veggies. You can hear the sizzle. We're doing the carrot, the bell pepper, and the cabbage. The cabbage is gonna look like huge now, like 5 cups of cabbage. Can look like a lot, but once all that moisture comes out, it's gonna cook down to almost nothing. Also gonna add a couple of teaspoons of soy sauce, not only for flavor, but the salt in this is gonna help draw out the moisture in those veggies. So that's gonna just sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna stir everything awesome. Veggies have been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. They have shrunk down considerably, as you can tell. Now what we're gonna do is add 3 scallions that I've been just, thinly sliced. We're gonna add 3 cloves of minced garlic and some ginger. You can add as much ginger as you like. I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon, but I think you can safely go up to a full teaspoon and be just fine. And we cook that for about 2 minutes. And now it's time to add the sesame oil and the honey. So I dip a couple of teaspoons of honey being drizzled right in. And then we're gonna go with a full tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. That fragrance is gonna go all throughout that dish, and it's really gonna pack a punch. Sesame oil and honey are well incorporated. Now we can shut our pan off, and we're just gonna get this right out into a bowl. Jefferson, go over there. Jefferson. Well, all the hard work is done. What we need to do now is assemble those really delicious lettuce wraps and dig in. So this is called butter lettuce. Butter lettuce, bib lettuce, any of the sauce lettuces will work perfect for this. We are just laying out the best looking of those leaves. We're gonna save the torn ones for the same thing, but in salad form later. We are just going to sprinkle. Of course, you've got very clean hands. You're gonna sprinkle this tofu over the top of those. We're gonna take some of our veggie filling. Our veggie filling is still quite warm, but that is fine. You could stack in as much as you can handle. Then we need to spoon over some of our peanut sauce. Beautiful. Just gonna add some fresh scallion to this. We already had some scallion, but that scallion was cooked, and I want that nice bright green flavor in there. All right, so I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of sriracha, completely optional, but some sesame seeds. You could also do chopped peanuts or cashews if you like, but there you go. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you next time.